This quick guide will teach you how to connect with a vendor on Bill.com. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a quick refresher, I'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can manage your vendor relationships effectively and seamlessly. To start, you'll need to head over to the Vendors tab, which you'll find conveniently located in the left-hand navigation sidebar of your Bill.com dashboard. This is your hub for vendor management, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area if you haven't already. Once you're in the Vendors section, scroll through your list and click on the name of the specific vendor you're aiming to connect with. This will bring up their profile layout card, where you can see all the details related to that vendor. Now, here's a handy tip. If the system detects a potential match in its extensive database, you'll see a banner near the top of their profile that says Network Match Found. When you see this, click on the Connect button. It's a quick way to establish that connection without having to dive deeper into the setup process. However, if you don't see the Network Match Found banner, don't worry. In this case, you'll want to click on the Setup ePayments button. This option allows you to manually search for your vendor within Bill.com's network. After clicking Setup ePayments, select the Search Network option. Here, you'll need to enter some details to find your vendor. You can type in the vendor's official business name or, alternatively, use their payment zip code in the search matrix. This flexibility ensures you can locate your vendor even if you don't have every piece of information at hand. Once you've entered the details, take a moment to identify your vendor in the list of verified results. It's crucial to double-check this step to ensure you're connecting with the right entity. After confirming, click Connect next to their name. At this point, the system will prompt you to enter your unique account number with that vendor. You'll find this number on your bill stub, and it's important because it ensures that any payments you send are accurately routed to the correct internal client ledger. This step is all about accuracy, so take your time to enter the number correctly. Once you've done that, click Submit. And there you have it. You've successfully connected with a vendor on Bill.com. This setup not only streamlines your payment processes, but also enhances your ability to manage vendor relationships efficiently. Remember, being proactive with these connections can save you time and reduce errors in your transactions. If you ever need to connect with another vendor or have to repeat any steps, just refer back to this guide. With a little practice, navigating Bill.com will become second nature. Thanks for watching and happy managing.